know what they say. The early bird gets the worm, right? Look at this. This for y'all. Plasma. I'm gonna put the ticker there too for you. 3 candlesticks. It's the daytime frame. $1.43. The early bird gets the worm, brother. Hold on. Let me show y'all some of these time frames. Let me show y'all the build up. Oh, hold up. Whoops. Wrong strategy. Y'all don't know nothing about that right there. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Hold on. Let me get you right. Alright. I want to show you. Make sure you see the whole thing. You feel me? Peep. Hold on. This is support. Right there. This is the resistance. Alright. You see it's trying to go right back into that zone right there. This your trading zone. Look at that. You see what I'm breaking down for you? Anyway. Again, this is early. And they volume is over 3 billion right now. So, to me, that says enough. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. And I just peeped something while I was looking. I peeped something. Yo, y'all, look. Apex. Hold on. This Apex. Hold on. Let me show you. Apex Protocol. Look at this. What I told you. What did I just tell you? And I just peeped it on the list. That's crazy. Hold on. What did it make it up to? $2.64. And we caught, I don't even remember what day that was, but I think that was, matter of fact, hold on. Let's see. Oh, no, this the wrong one. Hold on. This the wrong one. I'll have to tell y'all later.